today's session, it's going to be about landing pages real-time use case in real estate business. So this will be the agenda for today. We will be introducing the whole landing page to you and explain real-time use cases in the real estate domain, as in how businesses can implement Zoho landing page and how they can, improve their lead generation and ultimately convert their leads into, deals. So in this, I will be illustrating 2 or 3 examples of real estate landing pages. And as I show you the examples, I will be showing you how I built these pages and how you can optimize these pages using our key features, and highlight a few key features in Zoho landing page that might be really helpful for you in your marketing campaigns. And also, I'll be demonstrating a real-time use case of how a Zoho landing page is being promoted using Google AdWords, and how I was able to acquire leads and make these leads marketing qualified leads. And also, I'll be showing you our detailed landing page analytics, where we show you the customer data, the revenue that I generated from these customers, the total amount I spent on the marketing campaign, and also the entire return on investment of this marketing campaign. Landing page. A landing page is actually a standalone web page. I mean, when you consider a website and a landing page, the key difference the key factor that differentiates a landing page from a website is that a landing page is a standalone website. I mean, it's a standalone web page that is created specifically for one marketing campaign to sell one specific product or an offering. A landing page is where you want your visitors to directly come in and land, instead of they switching multiple tabs or they navigating to different pages. A landing page is where you want your visitors to land and take an action. Let's say you are publishing an ad on Google or Twitter or LinkedIn or somewhere else. You want your visitors to directly land on this specific page and then take this particular action, say sign up for a program or purchase an item. So that is a landing page. So the key differences between a website and the landing page are: a website is used to list all your products and offerings. It will have your contact information, your company's mission statement, your awards and achievements, and so on. A landing page, as I said earlier, will be used to promote just one specific product or an offering. A website will have multiple links, so a bounce rate will be higher. People usually visiting a website will not stay on a single page. They will navigate through your whole website and they will explore the entire information about your company. But a landing page will focus only on one action, which will be your ultimate conversion goal. And a website is used only to build awareness and credibility predominantly. The main purpose of a website is not about gaining more leads or more conversions. The main purpose of a website is to build brand awareness and show off your credibility. Whereas a landing page has only one goal, and that is to generate leads for your sales team. How can you use landing pages in real estate? The key goal of a landing page will be lead generation. So how can you generate leads? You can list all your properties that you are promoting in a landing page. You can have a site visit landing page where people who can come in and submit a form for a site visit. You can promote new launches. You can let people book on an early bird offer, or you can let people book a property on advance before it is even launched. You can just tease a property and let people advance book your properties. And if you are a finance agency, you can promote your real estate loans. You can let people take a loan based on a property, or you can give them loans to purchase new properties. And in case you are an interior decor firm, you can showcase your portfolio. You can have a neat landing page with different designs that you've done for different clients, and you can let people sign up for your interior decor services. And in case you are a real estate agent, you can showcase your offers that you provide for people who are going to purchase properties through your brokerage firm. So these are some basic examples for landing page in real estate. These are the use cases. And what is Zoho landing page?
how is it going to help you? Zoho landing page, it's a no code builder. You can create landing pages without any code. It's all drag and drop. You just create the pages, and you can optimize these pages with, we have inbuilt A/B testing. We have inbuilt personalization tools here. How you can personalize your landing page for different segments of customers. And you can integrate, you can have a landing page form which will help you in lead generation, and you can integrate these forms with your sales and marketing applications, say for example with CRM services like Zoho CRM, Begin, Salesforce, and so on. And also you can integrate with marketing applications like Zoho Campaigns or MailChimp for that matter. And also we integrate with other marketing applications like Google Ads and Google Tag Manager, LinkedIn, LinkedIn Page Insights, and so on, with which you can track your conversions. So this is Zoho landing page, and these are the key highlights of our builder. These are the key pointers which would influence your decision to use Zoho landing page. It's a no-code builder. We have a lot of pre-built templates which will help you in creating pages within minutes. You just have to replace the placeholder content in the templates. That's it, and you are good to go. And the predefined elements and sections are designed so that it will be just easier for you to have multiple sections within a few minutes on your landing page and get go. And we have native forms and pop-ups, forms which will help you in lead generation, and pop-ups which will help you in increasing the engagement in a landing page. And you can personalize landing pages based on different criteria, which we'll be exploring later in today's demo. And there are dynamic texts, as in the text which will change according to the visitor who's coming in. This is based on parameters that you define. And we have A/B testing, where you can test multiple variants of a landing page. Then we'll explore reports and integrations that landing pages provide. I'll be taking you to the demo here. So this is one website of a real estate firm. So this is Zilker Properties. They have their entire website here, the company's website, which will have their contact information and the information about when the firm was established and their property listings and so on. So here they have multiple clicks that will take people to different properties. Each property will have a separate page. So this is all about their mission statement, what they offer, and their contact information. So basically this is a website, and more or less likelier, people will just click on one of these links and they'll be taken to another page, and eventually they will drop off at some point. So this is not going to help you in improving your conversions. So here is one landing page that we built for a specific property. So the ideal use case is that I am going to promote this Green Earth Austin property. So for which, if I use this website in a Google ad, I will most probably not get enough conversions, and all the amount that I'm going to spend on Google ad is going to become, irrelevant. No, it's going to become a waste, because people will eventually explore the website and they just leave. So here I am going to do a landing page for this specific property. So this is a sample page where I've just spoken about Zilker Properties. So I will have a site visit form. This is going to be my ultimate goal here. I want people to come in, visit my site, and then book a property in this community. So this is going to be my ultimate aim. This page will just contain the key benefits of this specific project. So this project is located in a prime location. It will have all the amenities. I'm going to offer the best price, and we have guaranteed returns just in case you're going to rent this property. And in case you are, if you have observed this, you could see that we don't have many links to other pages here. The key action is to submit this form. And also at the end of the page, I have another button here, which will again take me to this form. So this is going to be my only goal in this page. And once people submit this form, my ad campaign is going to be a success if I get more leads. And this is the ultimate goal of this page. So this is one such example that I've built. And also another example that we have is, in case you're a real estate broker, you will be showcasing your portfolio, why people should use your real estate firm to book a property, and what are your key achievements, what are your key pointers to convince people to choose your firm to purchase a property. And here we have 3 different properties listed, but we don't have links, so people will eventually not exit this page. They will stay on this page and read your information. And there are 2 or 3 call to action buttons here, as you can see, but then all the buttons are linked to a pop-up form, which will eventually let people submit their contact information, so that you as a real estate broker will be able to contact them and sell your firm here. And also there is another also there is another sales IQ bot here. So just in case you find someone visiting your page, we have a native integration with Zoho Sales IQ. So just in case you have a visitor coming in, you will get a notification here in your Sales IQ console, and you can eventually initiate a chat with that person, and they will be able to engage with you here. So this is another case of a real estate broker trying to, sell properties through his brokerage firm. Let me take you back to the Zilker Properties page. Uh, so this is the page builder of this page. This is how I created a page here. So these are the elements and sections that Zoho landing page offers. So these are the sections. These are predefined layouts which you can just drag and drop on your page, and you'll be good to go just by replacing the content here. Say, for example, I'm going to add a testimonial section for this property. So it's going to go here. Sorry, it's going to go here right away. So I just have to replace this with some content. What our customers say. So the editing is all going to be inline, and you just have to go and replace the images and text. And just in case you are stuck on, stuck with the writer's block or something, so why are customers choosers? So I'm just trying to write something, and I'm going to hit a writer's block. We have a smart integration with Zia Content Assistant. It is powered by ChatGPT by OpenAI. So while you just go and edit your text, you can use this assistant to get smart suggestions from Zia. We'll explore that again. Coming to the images here, these are all stock photos. So you can just go ahead and change these images uh, here by uploading your own images. Or just in case you want to have stock images again from the internet, we support images from Google and Pixabay. You just have to go and search for people here, or just in case you're looking for properties, you can just search for an apartment or something, and these images will just come in within a click, and you can just replace it as such. So that's it. The building is going to be so simple. And I've also integrated my page with CRM here. I'll also show you an overview of all the integrations we have before I show you the CRM integration. So we've integrated with Zoho's in-house applications like CRM, campaigns, meeting, backstage, begin, and so on. And also with Salesforce, HubSpot, uh, MailChimp, Active Campaign, Campaign Monitor, GoToWebinar, and also the Google tools for Google Ads, Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, and LinkedIn Tag Insight. So these are the integrations that we offer in house. So I have integrated this landing page form with Zoho CRM. I'll just show you how I've integrated this. So I chose my account, portal, and campaign, and then I came to the fields. So these are the form fields that I've mapped with Zoho CRM. And once I've completed this integration, all my form submissions will go to Zoho CRM. So in this live page, if I submit a test entry now, it is eventually going to go to Zoho CRM. So yeah, I just made a form submission here. Let me go to Zoho CRM's leads module and check. Yeah, so here is my form submission entry. So you can see my phone number here and email address. You just have to let your salesperson contact this lead and then nurture them and eventually turn them into your customers. So the lead directly goes to CRM, to your CRM database. And let me show you how you can, further customize this specific page. Dynamic text replacement here in landing page. Let's say you're going to edit this section and this content is specific to your customers in Austin. Let's say you have you're going to use this landing page to run a marketing campaign across different cities in the US. I'm going to make this particular text a dynamic element here. So here I'm going to choose this text and I'm going to make it as a dynamic text by clicking this icon here. So this parameter is going to be city and text. In this case, it's Austin. So I'll just update this page and show you how this works in real time. I'll go to an incognito browser and I'm going to add a parameter here, which was city that I just mentioned. And the value that you provide here, it's going to dynamically update in the page. So for example, I'm going to have this as New York. So as the page loads, you can see that this element has become New York here. In the earlier parent page, here it is Austin, but then based on the parameter that you define here, this will be a dynamic text. So let's say you are going to share the URL with different parameters for this particular text across different mediums. Say you're going to run a campaign only specific to Austin, only specific to New York, and different cities for that matter. The content will be generated dynamically, so you don't have to create multiple pages for this specific use case. And also your content will be more personalized to the visitors and it will be more relevant to them. So someone who is visiting this page directly from Austin will be able to see the content specific to Austin. And let's say someone is clicking a different ad, he'll be able to get a very personalized content. So that is dynamic text replacement. And let's also explore different marketing tools that we have. We'll just take a second to go to another page here. So I'm going to unpublish this page once. This is the real estate broker page that we saw earlier. So this page has been unpublished now. So I'm just going to go here and I'm going to run an experiment. So there are two different experiments that we offer. So one is an A/B testing experiment where you can create two or more variants of the same page and you can experiment with the content or with the button placements and form placements. So that is A/B testing. And the other one is personalization, where you can create different experiences for different audience segments. So I'll be showing you A/B testing first. Yeah, so this is the first variant, the base variant that we had created. In this variant, you can see that we don't have any open forms. We only have 2 or 3 buttons that will trigger a pop-up. So here I'm going to create a variant. So this is the first variant. I'm going to have it as open form. Okay, here, remove this button and instead have an open form here. I'm going to delete this button element and then I will be inserting an open form here. Yeah. So this is the form, an open form now. So in this native form, you can add more fields by just clicking on this edit form button. So here it's all again drag and drop, it's all no code. Let's say you will add another field to get someone's requirements. and you can update it here. And once you save, it's going to come here in your form. It's going to reflect in your form directly. And also you can have, multiple actions for each form. And an action will be like, you can redirect someone to another page that you've already created using Zoho landing page, or you can redirect them to another web URL, say for example, to a different website or your own custom website. Or you can let people download a brochure from say you have different brochures for different properties. You can link this file directly to this form, and you can let people download this file. It's more or less like providing a gated content so that you'll get the lead information, and the person who's downloading the brochure will have the brochure for their reference. So this is another way of testing a page. So we'll have two different versions now. You can split the traffic for each version here. So let's say you'll have 25% of traffic going to the original version, and the version with open form will have 75% of traffic going in. So once you save and publish, your page ideally will have two different versions, and it will be smartly split across the traffic. So the each different versions will be served smartly to different audiences. So that is A/B testing. And I'll also show you optimization. So we'll discard this experiment and then get to optimization.
Sorry, I'm not very familiar with Sales IQ. Is it possible to be used also for people that don't have that? If I connect that to the landing page, I'm not sure who's getting on the landing page. So the question for Sales IQ is, you need to have it in order to respond to that, or anybody can respond? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for that. So in this case, like when you integrate your landing page with Zoho Sales IQ, you have to do the configurations in your Sales IQ account. It means the entire flow, like what has to be the content if someone comes to your landing page. If I'm a user coming to your landing page, I'll be saying, hey, hi, how are you? Like that. So the content has to be like predefined in your Zoho Sales IQ over there. And once you do all the customizations Zoho Sales IQ, you have to connect your landing page with the Sales IQ. And once you do the configurations and publish your landing page in live, and if the users, like if you're offline, it means like in two cases we can assume the working. First thing is that when you are live on your workstation, so in that time you can really interact with the users from your landing page in specific to the users. Second, if you're offline, say for example you're out of your office after 9 or 10 p.m. and you have your live campaign going on, so that time you can have a bot configured in your landing page with the predefined answers. So if someone comes to your landing page on the specific time, the bot will give you the responded answers, and those information will be sent to your Zoho Sales IQ account automatically. And next day when you log into your Sales IQ account, based on the information and other parameters which you have defined, you can interact with the users and get the job done. So this is the general behavior between the Sales IQ and landing page. I hope I'm clear with that.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you. I forgot that
Yeah.
it goes everything through the landing page. Yep.
Thank you.
This is more similar like A/B testing, where you'll be creating different variations, which we call as experiences. So this experience is going to be based on an audience. Let's say you have people coming from different sources or people using different devices. So we have a set of preset segments here. Let's say people who are coming from paid campaigns and people who are coming from organic search engines like Google. So you can define a page experience for different segments of audiences. In this case, I'm going to, have UTM parameters as my segmenting criteria. So I'll have for experience one, I'm going to have UTM source as LinkedIn. So for people who are coming in through LinkedIn, I'm going to show a different page experience. So LinkedIn is going to be my ultimate parameter here. So once I'm done with this UTM, I'm going to set this parameter to my base, and then I'm going to save this audience first. Yeah. So here, I'm going to change this content for a LinkedIn audience. Content I'm going to change. So this is going to be one text that I'm going to take it as a variable today to show you different variations. So in the first experience for the LinkedIn audience, I'm going to show a promo code of LinkedIn 20 to get a 20% off on the tickets. So this is my first experience, and I'm going to add another experience now. So this is my second experience. Again, it's going to be based on UTM, and this time I'm going to have Facebook as my parameter. And for this audience,
yeah, I have a question.
yeah, please go.
Are you guys suggesting, so in the real estate industry, like our products are listings essentially. So like with this landing page, would I be putting all of the listings on one landing page, or would I have a landing page for like each different property?
Depends on your use case. So just in case you would like to have only one page as a one-page website for your business, you can list all your properties in one single page and then redirect people to another landing page. Yeah, so we have two audiences already set and the page has been published now. I'm going back to the builder. So we have two variants here, three experiences here. So one is going to be for LinkedIn, another one is going to be for Facebook, and I'm going to publish this page right now, right away. So this will be yeah. So this is our live page as it's loading. This is our live page, and here you can see we have defined UTM source is Facebook as our parameter. So coming back to this specific landing page, Zilker Properties promoting a green earth properties in Austin. So we have simulated a live use case here for this page. So you click on this page analytics here, and it will take you to this page. So this is the page analytics page. So here you'll have an overview of your page statistics. You can see the total number of visitors, the people who visited your page, and how many people clicked on your form and submitted an entry. So that is going to be the conversions. So this is the conversion rate in your landing page. And this is something interesting. We have customers and revenue. So this is based on the integration with Zoho CRM. So as you saw, we had a lead here that the test lead that we submitted in the earlier part of our demo. So here, once this lead gets converted to a deal, this deal value will be updated here in our page analytics, and you'll see the revenue amount here. So this is the summation of the entire revenue that has been generated from the leads who were converted into successful business or successful deals from this landing page campaign. And these are the number of people who actually purchased a property by signing up through this landing page campaign. So this is customer reports in Zoho landing page powered by the integration with Zoho CRM. And here, by just scrolling down, you can see we have given you various metrics to deep dive and see where your customers came from, how many came from a paid source, how many directly landed on your page by entering the URL. So how many people came from Google searches and other organic sources. And this is also going to give you a report on how many people came from different devices. And this is going to be a region-based report, as in where your clients are based from. And by clicking the leads tab, you will be able to see all your leads who signed up this landing page form. You can find the lead source here, how many people came from another page or how many were direct signups, direct people who came to your landing page. And we also have something called SEO Insights here. So this will basically analyze your page and give you a report. So you will be able to see how many words you've used in your landing page, how readable is your landing page content, and you can also analyze the keywords that you have in your landing page content and see how many keywords, how many core keywords have been repeated. And if there are any links, you will also get a list of links. And if there are images without alternate text, adding an alt text for an image is a best practice in SEO. So if you have any images without an alt text, you'll also get to see them here. You can go back to your page and edit it again. And we'll also have an SEO checklist here. So here you'll be able to see whether you've added a page title, a meta description, or whether your page contains a H1 tag. So these are the basic metrics that you would like to have in your landing page so that it ranks organically on the search engines. And just in case your page has not been indexed by Google, you can also see that here. You will get to know whether your page has been indexed or not, and also whether you've added any Google Analytics code inside your page for tracking, or whether you've added Google Tag Manager codes in your page. So all of this will be available in this SEO Insight summary. Getting back to analytics, there is pop-up analytics. So we had a pop-up with a lead generation form in it in the page. So you will see how many people actually clicked on this pop-up and how many people have actually converted by submitting an entry in the pop-up form. And then we have behavior analytics. So by clicking on this, you'll be taken to the behavior analytics. I'll just show it to you in a different tab. So this is behavior analytics for this page. This is the heat map. Heat map shows the clicks, the hotspots on your landing page. So most people have clicked on this landing page form and they've submitted an entry. Just in case you want to check the numbers, you can click on the show stats and you'll be able to see all the numbers here. And this is heat map. And next is scroll map. You click on this and you'll go to scroll map. So while this loads, I'll open it in another tab for you. So this is scroll map. So this will show you the percentage of visits, as in how many people scroll through your landing page. The first section, within the first scroll, you'll have 100% rate. And as it gradually goes down, people scrolling through your landing page will eventually come down. So based on this, you will be able to study whether you positioned your most valuable or most important content within the recommended range in the landing page. So this is scroll map. Again, you can check the stats by clicking this button. And another thing we have is attention map. So this is the attention map. Attention map shows how much time someone has spent on each section in your landing page. So let's say people are scrolling through your page, but then they don't read through the content. They just skim and they drop off eventually. So you can see that in this page, you have roughly around 90% or 80% of attention. So this will be an ideal place where you will have your most prominent call to action or most prominent action. Say, for example, in this page, we have our site visit form here. So the place which gets the most attention will most probably be the place where you will have your conversion button or your form. So as you scroll down the page, you'll be able to see that people aren't spending much time here. So this is attention map. Next is form analytics. Form analytics is going to give you an overview of how people are interacting in your landing page form. So we had roughly around 495 visitors, but then in that, 177 people started, but they didn't convert. 176 have abandoned in between, and only one has converted. So this is the average time spent on this form. And for each field, you will be able to see the focus, as in how many people were focused on that specific field and how many people dropped off in that specific field. So corrections is people entering value and then correcting it again. So you'll be able to deep dive and get finer insights on how people are interacting with your landing page form. So here you will be able to see how many fields were filled and how many were left blank. And the hesitation time is as in how much time people literally take to complete each field in a form. So if a field is taking more time, then it's going to indicate that people will eventually drop off from that field. So it's ideal that you keep your landing page form crisp and simple. So this is form analytics, and next is Google Ads. So this is the Google Ads Analytics. So what happens is to have this report, you must integrate your landing page account with your Google Ads account. So once that integration is done, this landing page specific campaign information will be fetched directly from Google Ads, and you'll be able to see all the performance metrics here. This is specific to this particular landing page. So this landing page was used in a Google Ads campaign called Zilker Property Sale. So you'll be able to find out which keywords brought you more traffic from Google Ads, and how many clicks you generated from each of these keywords, and how many and in which ad group did this keyword belong to. Say, for example, you might have define different ad groups, one for green properties, one for Austin properties, one for Zilker properties. So you probably will be able to analyze all this and come up to a conclusion that which ad campaign is performing well for your specific marketing campaign. So here you will get all the Google Ads data. This is directly fetched from Google Ads. You will get the total number of ad impressions, the clicks, how many people converted from this ad, and the cost per click. And this is the total amount that you spent on this ad campaign, and the revenue generated from leads who signed up using this ad campaign. And again, ROI revenue is all calculated based on the data that you get from integrating your landing page with Zoho CRM. This is based on this revenue, and ROI and customer count is based on your integration with Zoho CRM that we just explored in the overview. So this is the overview of the reports that we have. And I think we've almost touched upon everything. For marketers, just like to showcase the places where you can add your page title, meta description, and where you can configure your Sales IQ widget. So you click on this configuration settings gear icon here on the top panel. So once you click that, you will be able to add your page title, meta description, and you can choose whether to index this page or not. And favicon is where you add your branding logo so that it appears here on the browser tab. You can add custom scripts in case you want to have scripts for different animations or scripts for tracking and so on. Social preview is to this is where you will add an image, a thumbnail image, so that it's eye catchy for people who see your landing page link on social media. Let's say you publish this link on Twitter or Facebook. Your link will come up with a thumbnail image. So just in case you want to have clickbaits or you want to make people click, you can add a customized image for social media, and then you can publish it here. It will come here. Just in case you are going to collect information, personal information, and you want people to know that their data is being collected and it's going to be tracked, you can have a privacy consent bar here. So it will appear here on top of your landing page. So you can enter your own content, add your own links for your privacy policy, and then you will be able to see a preview of it here. And once you publish it, it will be according to the landing page's theme. So that is privacy consent. And then for Sales IQ, this is where you will enable your live chat bar that we just saw in another page. So that we just saw in this page. So to enable this Sales IQ chatbot, you have to go here and enable it. So these are the basic settings. And to publish your page, you can add a custom domain here. So I think RML had just given you an overview of how to publish a page using a custom domain. So you can add your own subdomain here and then publish a page on it. Just have to add your custom domain and then map your CNAME entry in your domain service provider to landing page, and then your domain is good to go. So I think I've touched upon all the basics of landing pages, and I've given you a few use cases. In case you have any queries, you can start asking your questions now.
So the Zoho landing page can be integrated with the Zoho Sales IQ. So as Karthik shown earlier, you have to create a landing page, and you should have a brand, and you should have a portal in Zoho Sales IQ. And with a one click, you will be able to integrate your Zoho landing page with the Zoho Sales IQ. So once you integrate your landing page with Sales IQ, you can see the live traffic, meaning customers coming to your landing page. And from your Sales IQ portal, you will be able to interact with those users lively. So this application will evolve and will able to give you more insights and more lead configurations in the upcoming campaigns. So we do have the direct integration with the Sales IQ. Yes. So in Zoho landing page, you can host your landing page in two ways. First, we will offer you a custom subdomain from our end, and you can utilize that subdomain to host your landing page. And second, you can host, you can create your own subdomain and you can host your landing page on your custom domain. So both the ways are very much possible to host your landing pages.
So hello everyone. My name is Sharath and I'm from the affiliate program. So if you like using Zoho and if you think you have an audience or a network you can serve and who can potentially benefit from Zoho, then so I think you have an opportunity with us. So we've been running the Zoho affiliate program for the last 3 or 4 years now. And so we've had about a little over 3,500 to 4,000 affiliates as part of our program. And so it could be like a one-to-one referral where you can just refer a friend to Zoho, or it could also be a one-to-many referral where you can refer Zoho to your network. And for doing so, you can also earn referral commissions. So it could be just simple referral link that you can share on social media or on your website or any other medium that you wish to promote us, or it could directly be a straightforward introduction to any of our sales teams or any of our other product teams as well. So this is a gist of the program. So you also get referral commissions for doing so. So this briefly explains what the program is. So I think in a subsequent session, we can have a deep dive into the program, so how it works and also how you can take part and be part of the affiliate program.